Guys, meron po tayong Arabic dito na 11 to English. So, marhaban, hello. Marhaban, hello. Tapos yung hala, hi. Hala, hi. Shukran, thank you. Thank you. Afwan, you're welcome. You're welcome. Afwan. Ishlunak naman, guys. How are you? I'm okay. Charlotte. Ana big hair naman, guys. I'm good. I'm good. Ana big hair. Big hair. Tas yung hamdulya naman, guys, is I'm fine. I'm fine. I'm fine. Hamdulillah is I'm fine. Zain, 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 Zain or Zain. Zain is good, 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 good. Tamam or Mumtaz. Tamam or Mumtaz. Perfect. Perfect. You're perfect. You're excellent. Pwede ko na mapo-perfect. Maashi. Maashi, guys. All good. Good. All good, maashi. And maasalama. Masalama. Goodbye. See you tomorrow, guys. Bye. Yun lang po ang aking kokon.